with me.
What's up and welcome back. Today's test drive, we've got a 48,000 mile 1996 Impala SS. This one's brand new to the lot. Yes, we get a lot of these Impalas. We'll be going over every kind of flaw, chip, scratch, rust, dents. How does it run and drive? We'll tell you. LT1 350 under the hood. Automatic floor shifter in the 96. This one's got the maroon paint job. It's not perfect, that's why I'm here. I'll go over any kind of flaws. That way you know what's going on before you get here. Finance and shipping, detailed pictures, it's all available at maplemotors.com. For now, hit subscribe. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. This thing has very nice interior. It's not gonna need too much attention. I mean, look at it, it's like new. Cannot complain with this Impala. All right, let's go ahead and start her up. And then we'll take off down the road here in a second. But first, place your bets. Think the horn works? I'm sure you already know the answer to that. It's 15 degrees outside, so we're not gonna be able to check the AC, but we could definitely check the heat, which I already feel because I had this thing warming up. But I had it on, let's put it on vent. There we go. Yeah, I can feel it now. Still kind of cool. I like that song. That's a good song. All right. Glove box. Turn signals. They flashing right, showing 48,000 on the dash. We've got a little bit of gas. We've got engine temperature coming up. Tilt column, which is working. Tach. Yup, it's showing off, ain't it? Well, power locks, power windows. And this one over here. That one there kind of got sideways a little bit, so maybe it was coming off track. But it did go back up when I pushed back up on it. Yeah, okay. Horn? Of course. Let's hit the road, see how it runs and drives. Well, got my new Maple Motors beanie. It's keeping me warm. I do have those available now. We also got some posters and a new spokesman for Maple Motors. Of course it's a dog. My puppy dog. All right. You can see those posters at maplemotors.com if y'all want them. I'm trying to work out where it's cheaper shipping right now with square.com. They're making it weird. I don't know. All the posters that get shipped out have to go in these tubes. And I was like, obviously I'm trying to sell them as cheap as possible so everybody could get one. But Square's trying to mess it up on the shipping. So hopefully tonight I can figure it out and get them out cheaper to you. All right. Now this one here, it's a low mileage car. There's not gonna be a whole lot to it. The biggest thing on this video is watch the end. Chips, scratches, rust, dents. That's it. We're gonna light up the undercarriage, check everything out. Get a few outside shots, but this thing's silky smooth. This is the first time I've driven it. They told me, they said it drives like a new one, so you're not gonna really find anything. I was like, okay, well, I'll try. Challenge accepted. But they're right, the brakes feel good. Throttle is smooth. Tight steering. Yeah, this is gonna be a real easy video. Mirrors, the adjustments still work. Let's check that one out. Oh, the passenger one don't work. Yeah, so yeah, that's the first thing that I found that doesn't work on this one. It's a passenger mirror adjuster. Sure, that's not a deal breaker, but I found it. Speedo seems to be accurate too. Just like we always do, we're gonna light up the undercarriage over here. We'll get some outside shots and head back to the lot for picking out the flaws. Of course, that's the most important part of the video. Well, I'll see you in a moment. Yep, time to roll. Heading on back to the lot now. Guess we'll get our seatbelt on. And cut that little red dot off the dash. Boom. All right, this has been a great test drive. I love it when they're easy going. Somebody just passed by in a Mustang with the top down. I'm not kidding. It's like 15 outside. I hope the top's just broke or something, because if they just dropped the top to drive around with that down, that's crazy. That would be just something's going on. Maybe they're hot, I don't know. Here we go. This has to be the easiest test drive of the day, though, being a newer vehicle like this. As you can tell, it's nice and quiet, smooth, rides like a new car. Bumping the road here. Checks out. Guys, again, the most important part of this video is going to be the end. Chips, scratches, rust, dents. I want you to check that out. I want you to stick around for that, because if you're wanting to buy this vehicle, I need to show you those kind of stuff. I've seen little swirls coming down the sides. I did see a little chip in the front bumper. You need to see it. Look at the 100 detailed pictures and call me if you got any other questions on this vehicle. I will send you more information. For now, I'll see you in a moment. Next up, let's walk around this 1996 Impala SS. Go ahead and start in the back. Got some blemishes on the bumper there around those edges. You can see a little bit of fading here. Touch-up marks around that trim there. I think you can get these little trim pieces, but I don't know, you have to look them up. touch-up marks. Tail lights look great. The gas in here, tag looks good. Holder there, pretty clean. Same with the tail light on this side. Your jams, other than having a little moisture where I just washed it off, good shape. I mean, along with them seals, of course, the carpet in here is super nice. It's a humongous trunk. Looking around the edges, looking all right. Coming down this side. Tires seem to be good. Little scuffs in the paint. You can see the swirls. Good buff job would help this car a lot. It's kind of got swirls all over it, so. A little flat there on the inside of that front bumper coming back to midsection. Swirls down the door. It's like a little scratch there. Down your pillar, spot on the edge of the mirror. Looking around the roof here. Up that pillar. Yeah, somebody get a hold of this with a buffer and do some paint correction. This thing would look amazing. It's not bad the way it sits though. It's just got some swirls in it from people washing it. Front bumper definitely has some marks where it's getting little scuffs and bugs. Scratch here on top. Went down this side. Definitely going to have some swirls in it, but the sun isn't on this side, so you can't see those swirls. Otherwise, it looks pretty straight. It doesn't look like you have a whole lot of dents. I haven't really seen any of those. Very minimal scratches, really. There's a little scuff there, but I think that'll come out with a buffer. Not bad for a 96, I'm telling you. Little chip here on top. Chip in your windshield there. Real small. Chip on the wing. Let's check out the interior. Overall, this car is in wonderful shape. Of course, it should at 40-something thousand miles. Door panel, looking awesome. Jams, super clean. Got protective cover on the carpet there. Seal, also nice and clean. It even smells new in here. Package tray, headliner. Now, I guess I need to find the keys. Where did I put them? They are in my pocket. Over the dash there, just kind of checking it out. Got the key here. We'll start her up. You see where it's saying 48,000. A lot of times those dashes will go out and those lights, you gotta smack the dash a million times, but this one seems like it's nice and strong. Yeah, I've seen a bunch of them where it won't show the mileage, and then the mileage will pop on, and then the mileage will cut off again. They just had a problem with doing that. Engine's super quiet. Very clean. Been down with the hood. Scuff on the front end there. Little scratches here. Hey, don't forget, the 100 detailed pictures are available at maplemotors.com. Financing and shipping is also available. And I do these kind of test drive videos every single day. Be sure to check out the rest of them here on the lot. We do have an SRT that we just put out. Video is ready on it. We've got this Chevrolet. Should be pretty good. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit subscribe, share, and of course, I'll see you in the next one.